मीरा, क्लास 3।
सुप्रभात आप सभी को। मेरा नाम कुमार मरियम है। मैं कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। इस कविता का नाम है कक्कू। नाम है उसका कक्कू। कक्कू माने कोयल होता, लेकिन ये तो दिन भर रोता, इसीलिए हम इसे चिढ़ाते, कहते हैं इसको सक्कू। नाम है उसका कक्कू।
Recitation. Marmen Tama.
Good morning to all of you. Most respected principal sir, vice principal sir, teachers and my brothers and sisters. My name is Miss Marmen Tama, student of class 5, going to recite a poem, and my poem name is The Ice Cream Man. One summer in the city and there's a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh what a joyful sight! To see him fill the cones with nuts of cooling brown and white, orange, white or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster round as thick as honeybee.
Everybody, you should get ready. I will call anyone.